Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus, and today I want to talk about subgroups. A subgroup is an independent bus, just like an aux mix, but it shares fader level and panning with the main mix. Now, unlike a DCA group, which only controls channel volumes, you can route a subgroup to an output and add processing like a compressor or EQ. And one way to do this on a 32-channel Series 3 mixer is with fixed groups A, B, C, and D. Now, this feature isn't available on a 64S because of its LCR configuration. So for today, we're going to take a look at how to set up a fixed subgroup on a 32-channel Series 3 mixer using Universal Control. Here you see a band layout with 10 channels for drums, and I've already set their individual channel panning. Let's send them to a stereo group. I'll click the Sub A button, then I'll go to the top left part of the window and name the bus. I'll select which channels I want to be in the group. In this case, I'll select all 10 drum channels. I'll go back to the upper left corner and hit the Done button. For a stereo bus, I'll hit the Link button, and the Sub A and B buttons are now joined as one. I can now add DSP processing to the sub bus, delay it, or take it out of the mains if I need to. As you can see, StudioLive Series 3 mixers are loaded with powerful tools and flexible workflows that streamline mixing. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.